The SHIRUI lily, also known as Lilium maclineae, is a rare and beautiful flower found only in the SHIRUI Hill Range in Ukhrul district, Manipur, India. Named after its location, the flower was discovered by British botanist Frank Kingdon Ward in 1946 and later named after his wife, John Macklin. The flower is bell-shaped, with delicate, pale pink or bluish petals. Its unique color can sometimes appear to change depending on the time of day and weather conditions. The SHIRUI lily typically blooms during the monsoon season, from May to June. The blooming period is short, lasting only a few weeks. It grows at an altitude of 1,730 to 2,590 meters above sea level, thriving in the cool and misty climate of the SHIRUI Hills. Due to its limited geographic range and the pressures of habitat loss, the SHIRUI lily is considered endangered. Efforts are ongoing to protect and conserve this rare species. The SHIRUI lily is not just a botanical treasure,